Hi students, hope you are enjoying the Asia's largest educational institution, the Narayana Group's learning app NRAN Guru. So today we are here with the Unit 2A of 6th class English Assignment 2. The assignment is for 10 marks and the time being is only 20 minutes. So let's see the quick recap and discussion of Assignment 2. So let's see, it's a reading comprehension. So better you need to read the reading comprehension twice and thrice and read carefully. And the questions are completely framed based on the given reading comprehension only. So let's see the question and answers. So here the first question is that when do we celebrate Bonalu? The question is quite simple. And here you see the question, when do we celebrate Bonalu? Answer is very simple and the answer is we celebrate Bonalu during Ashada Masam. So here the answer is exactly there in the reading comprehension. Please concentrate on the question and answer as well. We celebrate Bonalu during Ashadam. So next we see the second question based on the reading comprehension, and the second question is based on the same festival. Here we talked about when do we celebrate Bonalu, and the second question is how do we celebrate Bonalu? That means the process of celebrating Bonalu. So the question is how do we celebrate Bonalu? Question is quite simple and it's a general question, so most of you people know the answer. So here the answer you can give exactly the answer, the hints are there in the reading comprehension. You can turn it to your own view and write that answer here. We prepare rice cooked with jaggery, rice cooked with milk and jaggery, put in a guttam, and carry the pot in a procession singing songs there. See, the answer is very simple. Here we are going to talk about the process of celebrating Bonalu. We prepare rice cooked with milk and jaggery, one thing. Put in a guttam is nothing but a pot, and carry the pot in a procession singing songs. So here you can add related to Pothraju's dance and other things also. And let's see the third question. Let's see the third question related to reading comprehension 1. So here the third question is with what is the intention to celebrate Bonalu? These are all interlinked questions. First question, when do we celebrate, how do we celebrate, and what is the intention behind celebrating the Bonalu festival? Here answer is very simple. We celebrate, we start with the same kind of thing. Answer is we celebrate Bonalu. We celebrate Bonalu as Thanksgiving to the goddess Mahankali. So it's a question which is related to show our gratitude towards the god or goddess, but Bonalu is a festival which we celebrate. It's a celebration of thanksgiving to the goddess Mahankali there. For what? Mahankali, for fulfilling our wishes. Okay. Next, fourth question. How do we prepare the Batukamma? Fourth one. How do we prepare? The Batukamma? So here in the previous one we just talked about the festival of Telangana, Bonalu. Now it is an interlinked question which is one more festival of Telangana, that is Batukamma. How do we prepare the Batukamma? So that means the process of making Batukamma. So general question, most of you people know pretty good about it. Okay, so answer, we prepare Batukamma beautifully stacked with, you can write all the flowers which we use in order to prepare Batukamma there. Okay, let's see that answer. We prepare Batukamma. So here start mentioning the names of the flowers which we use in that one. Batukamma beautifully stacked. So here keep writing the names of the flowers which we use in that one. Stacked with Tangedu, Gunugu, and so you can add the number of flowers according to your places and all. So with the Chamanti flowers, to the meeting points. It's a general question, Anna. Please concentrate on the names of the flowers which we use in that one. So we have completed 4 questions, and let's see what is the 5th question of it. And the 5th question, you see here, how does the fete end? How does the fete end? The question is very simple, based on the comprehension only. So the fete culminates. The fete culminates as the gatams are offered to the local goddesses. So that means how the festival ends there. So what kind of thing it inculcates. So it's all about reading comprehension. Next, you know pretty good about the question paper pattern. We completed reading comprehension. Next, we are going to concentrate on section B, that is vocabulary and grammar. So here first I would like to read out the paragraph which they have given under grammar and vocabulary. Let's see. Today is a red letter day for us, dear. The Union Government Declaration, Telangana as the 29th state of the country. It takes years for the government to take this decision. Many people sacrifice their lives for our state. We need to remember the martyrs who sacrificed their lives for separate Telangana state. Now, we have an own state with our own culture, Hari said. So here they are going to concentrate the questions which are based on vocabulary and grammar there. So section B, you are very familiar with it. Let's see what are the questions they have given. So here section B, that is grammar and vocabulary, one of the important aspects. Grammar and vocabulary. So here you see, based on the passage, they have given some of the questions. Here the first one, they have asked you, write the right form of the underlined word. So here they have underlined declaration. Declaration. So here, this is another form of the verb there. Actually, there should be a verb form. So here it's a noun form, declaration. So here the right word is declared. Declared. Okay. So next they have underlined one more word in that one. So that is, write the correct form of the word. So here they have underlined a verb called takes. Takes. So here the passage is in past tense. So here you need to, here takes is nothing but is a third person singular there. So here what is the V2 form of takes? Here you need to go with took. Okay. And eighth one, write the singular form of the word. So it's very easy. Lives. They have underlined lives and they ask you to write the singular form of lives. The singular form of lives is life. Okay. So next one, write the antonym of the underlined word. So antonyms, you know pretty good, the words which are opposite in the meaning. So here first one, so ninth, they have taken remember. So here the antonym is forget. Very easy one. And next last one, write the synonym of the underlined word. So here they have underlined one of the word called martyrs. Okay, 10th one, martyrs. So here you can go with the same meaning word, that is synonym. So these are nothing but sufferers. So people who suffered. Sufferers. So it's all about the grammar, section B vocabulary and grammar related one, and each one carries half mark. You're going to get 5 into half. So that is nothing but 2.5. Okay, so very easy one. So once again we see the correct form of declaration, declared, takes, took, life, singular form is life, and remember antonym forget, and martyr synonym sufferers. Okay, so let's see the last bit, that is nothing but editing part. So in editing part you see, just I am going to concentrate on the errors as well as the mistakes there. So here the last one, editing is very important, and here how can you be a master in editing part? You need to read the text n number of times. So here the first one, so here editing, it is one of the important factor of your standard. So here they have taken one of the editing passage from unit 1. So here you see the first one, 11th one. So 11th, here I am not writing the completely there, but while you are writing the editing passage, it should be rewritten completely and the correction should be underlined. Okay, so here first one they have given, but it has not been given the status of language and was humiliated on many occasions. So here you see, you need to read the text twice and thrice, then you need to go with the context there. Okay, so here first one they have taken one of the particular mistake. Right, here the last one is editing part. So here you need to concentrate on all views, like you need to concentrate on articles, prepositions and verb forms and each and everything. So here, while you are writing, you need to rewrite the complete sentence, and the correction should be underlined. So here, the first one, so 11. So in your particular worksheet, they have given like this, and it has not been given the status of a language and was humiliated on many occasions. Okay, so here they have used a conjunction called and. Okay, but obviously there you need to use the optional there, so that the correct word is but. So like that you need to read the complete sentence. But here, out of the board clarity and out of the things, just I am writing the wrong sentences and right ones. But while you are rewriting, you need to read the complete sentence with the correction part underlined. So in the 12th one, they have given, even our festival are not given. Festival are, they have used the plural form. So here, the correction part is festival. So here, what should be the correction for it? They should be festivals. Okay. So next to 13th one. What are the special festivals of our state dad? Kiran asked. Okay. So here actually they have taken what is the special festival of our state dad? Kiran asked. So here obviously you need to go with are there. Okay. So here is they have given. You need to go with are. And 14th one, we celebrate the main festival as well as regional festival. They have omitted one of the articles, the definite article called da. So here you have to add da before the regional festivals. And the last one, meanwhile Hari see Lakshmi coming. So I already told you it is in past tense. So there you need to use the simple past form of the verb there. So here 15th one is there they have given the wrong verb form, that is see. Instead of see you need to go with saw. It's all about assignment 2 of unit 2A. So thank you all, and start learning with the Nrank Guru app. Thank you very much.